So this is your new bike that we're gonna make looking awesome. What color is it?
It's blue.
It matches your Crocs down there.
Yeah.
Right now it doesn't have any rear brakes. The handlebars are a little beat up, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna get a new front tire because that one's pretty small. And rinky dink for 40 bucks, not bad at all. So, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go to the bike store, get some parts, and get this thing all souped up.
Okay.
Cool. Okay. We'll see you guys in a little bit. We'll see you at the store. We are going to my friend Todd's bike store called Downtown Bikes. It's right across the street over there. And we're gonna see what kind of parts we can get for this bike upgrade. Ready to go in?
Yeah.
Okay, so, cool. So we got this Mongoose bike. It's pretty beat up, but it should be a good bike once we're done with it. So join us and check it out.
Hey guys, it's me CJ, and we got this really beat up bike for really cheap. And we bought a tire and a new seat and stuff for it, and we're going to fix it up. So join me as I learn how to build bikes.
So some of the first things that we're gonna do is just take off the stuff that we don't want on the bike anymore, like the kickstand and like the reflectors and stuff like that. But we're trying to make this bike like new. And so we're gonna check out some of that stuff. But the first thing we're gonna do is take off the stuff we don't want on it. Here's CJ working on getting some of the old chain guard stuff off of it. And as you can see, the bike has some rust on it. It's pretty dirty, hasn't been kept up that well. And so we're going to get this thing looking new. The cranks, they're 3-piece, so that's cool, but you know, there's a lot of wear and tear. Again, we're gonna make these things look fresh and get some new gear on here. So we'll make this thing look slick before we're done. Right, CJ?
Yep.
Cool, cool. So far we got the wheels off and we got the crank arms off. They're right there. And we're gonna call it a night because it's past the kids' bedtime. And tomorrow we're gonna take off the bottom bracket and then we'll strip the frame the rest of the way and get her ready to go. Try to make this thing look like a beast. Anyways, yeah. So here's the finished bike. It was a Mongoose Ravage, I think is what it was called. Got the bike for 40 bucks and took it apart, re-lubed it all, repainted some parts because it was kind of a rust bucket, redid the handlebars, the stem, the forks, put some new tires on it, put a Odyssey brake system on, and got that set up. And put some pegs on the rear. Overall, took off all the stickers. Overall, it's a pretty fun bike.
Hey guys, it's me CJ, and me and my dad bought a pretty beat up bike and we fixed it up and turned it into this bike. And
we painted what parts?
this part.
We painted the handlebars and the stem and the forks. Yeah, we took off the crank arms.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so this is a full-size bike for you now?
Yeah.
Are you pretty excited?
Yeah.
So what do you think?
I love it.
Cool. Okay, so we'll get you on this thing and get you rolling on in it in a few seconds, okay?
Got it.
Cool. So if you like this stuff, make sure to subscribe and
Like and hit the bell button. And make sure to comment below.
comment below, hit the bell button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys
Next time,
next time.
roll on over to our next video.